Hey guys, well, it's definitely a nice day. Feels like spring is here. So it's 74 degrees out, really warm. Actually wearing short sleeve for the first time this year. I just came back from my grandparents' house after cutting their grass for the first time. So, since it's a nice day, so I thought this will be a good day to go ahead and get the pressure washer running for the first time this year. Make sure it's still working good like it should. Just after with all this brutal winter, I'm pretty sure it'll still work since I did spray some pump saver into the pump. So hopefully if the pump survived the winter. So let's see, I think there is gas in this. Oh yeah, it's got gas in it. Now if I can get this cap back on. There we go. Fuel valve is turned off. I'll go ahead and just put that on. Get the gas into the carburetor. So now I need to pull the hoses off, get the garden hoses out, get it all connected here. Alright, so it's all hooked up. Now I'm just getting it all bleeded, trying to bleed it just to let any excess air out. Always do that first because otherwise you can ruin your pump. So it should be good for it to start. Okay, so turn it on. It's on choke. Now I did spray deep creep into the cylinder, so when it does start it's going to be smoking. Alright. Let me just do one more bleed. So I'm pretty sure we got all the air out. There's no kinks in the hoses. Alright, that should be good. Alright, let's give it a whirl. Alright. Just gotta love your Honda engines. Nice smooth running. This is a Honda GCV 198. A little bit of a bigger engine than on our Craftsman mower, where it has the GCV 160. This engine probably puts out around maybe 6.5 horsepower, so probably 1 horsepower more than the Craftsman mower. Alright, let me pull the trigger, let's see if the pump works. Alright, yeah, it works. It survived the winter. Yeah, I kind of wish I could do some power washing, but I don't really have no time to do any pressure washing. It's about 4 o'clock right now, and I'm supposed to go and get my taxes done at 6 o'clock. So, yep. Cool. Actually, surprisingly, even though I sprayed deep creep into the cylinder, no smoke at all. That's cool. Alright, so again, that's the first startup on my pressure washer. So it's a Ryobi 3100 psi, 2.5 gallons per minute, which I bought this pressure washer in May of last year, so that's good. Now I can go right back into using this on washing the cars. And also now, since I got it out again, whenever I do have some time, I'll need to once again pressure wash the patio and also the driveway, get all that grime off from all the sand and stuff from when they spread it out on the streets during all that snow we got. So yeah, alright, so I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and so thanks for watching.